absolute delight to have you here on this divine evening. And I can guarantee 110% that you will be horrifically entertained, if not a little disturbed.
I've never done Thorpe Park Night, so I'm a bit worried about it, but I've heard it's the best ever, so looking forward to it. It's going to be amazing.
A little bit apprehensive, I'll be honest. I'm going in the maze in a minute.
I don't want to say it, but I'm pretty terrified.
Shook. That means scared.
I'm breaking it.
Oh, hello there. My name's Mrs. Goodwell. Welcome to the motel. Have you seen my husband? He would like to have a word with you.
It was petrifying because, well, particularly the chainsaw guy at the end, he just, you know, it was steaming, it was just in your face. And we've got a friend who's terrified of chainsaws, so he just ran screaming.